All right, today we're going to bring the Antec C8 desktop case. So we're going to set this up today, see how it works. But this is the bare bones. It's inexpensive, no fans included. It has plenty of connections. The only reason I got this one is because I got a CPU and a GPU that both have water cooling system, and I need the extra space. But first of all, I want to show you a couple of features. Sliding filters underneath. You got your power button, USB connections, Type C, and then the reset button. One thing I did like was that they included with the manual, included a bar for the inside, so you can actually attach different things in here. All the screws are in this little box. I like that. To remove the side panel, you need to remove the top first. All right, in the top, there's no, it's all magnetic. All right, there's no screws or anything, so be careful when you're opening these things up. All right, let's open this up. All right, open the top, and then put this guy down. Open the side, pick it up. We got the inside in here. Any type of motherboard, you're going to take plenty of space for all these things. Fans are not included. You're going to have to provide your own fans in here. This on the side panel, also the same thing. Remove it. Plenty of space for everything that you require. You have to mount them in here pretty much, but the fans going in this part. So you're going to have to find location here for smaller drives. You guys can see that. You got space on the top for another one, another drive for the smaller ones, the SATA drives. These two are for mechanical drives. Let's do this again. I just turned on the power, so let's crank it up. So here we are. We are going to test out our machine to see how the actual air flows in here. And the only way I can do it is with a smoke machine. The back comes out to the back. These come into the bottom. This, all this. So that's exactly what we want. The airflow's perfect. So, and this one is blowing two directions, because this one's going up, but because there's an actual fan in here, you can't really see it. But this one blowing out, all of it going in. So right now, we're still going to do cable management. We're just cleaning it up right now, making sure that we're transferring our files and get this sucker up and running, because I'm not making money if it's not working. All right. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.